You're watching Restore Movement PH. The goal of this channel is to share videos and stories that will motivate and inspire you. We want to encourage everyone to have a restoration of their soul. Because the Redeemer is ready to accept you, Jesus offers salvation in just 3 steps. 1. Accept that you are a sinner, your goodness are not enough to save you. 2. Truly believe that 2,000 years ago Jesus died for your sins and rose again on the 3rd day. It's not a fairy tale, it was real event happened on earth. 3rd, confess with your mouth that Jesus is the Lord of your life. The goal now is not to do what makes you happy but to glorify Jesus in your body.
Pag ikaw minahal ng magulang mo, balik mo yung pagmamahal eh. Kahit hindi kami mayaman, tinatry nila paano kami paligayahin. Pag Pasko, pag kung meron something, maliliit na bagay. Kaya siguro yung yung pagpalaki sa amin, naging priority ko rin na asikasuhin ko yung mga mas mababa akong kapatid nung naintindihan kong ako na pala yung padre de pamilya. Parang mas tama yung barkada kaysa sa magulang. Kung ano yung sinabi ng barkada, ang tingin nila, yun ang tama. Hindi yung mga turo ng magulang. Advice ko sa mga kabataan. Wala nang ibang magmamahal sa'yo ng unconditional love kung hindi yung nanay mo at yung tatay mo. Kaya kung meron man silang binibigay na advice, totoo yun para sa'yo yun.